Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to pick the winner for the Ecozilla strap adapter giveaway. Still haven't really figured out how to do a screen share with good audio, so hopefully this will suffice. But here is the product again. They sent over two of them, one for me to keep and one for a giveaway. I'll probably give away the other one eventually, but anyway, this one is being given away today, unused, still in the plastic. You have the strap sizing tool there, and then you also have a spring bar tool and then a little screwdriver to remove the ring on the back of the Ecozilla. I'm not wearing the Ecozilla today, have on the Hamilton Khaki King. So anyway, let's no longer delay anything here, and let's do the giveaway. I'll probably run some tape around this and just ship it off in the mail. So I have copied that video link there. This is the giveaway video. Hopefully you can see that down there. Hopefully I still have internet out here in the shop. And here is the random comment picker. I'm gonna try to pick three names. It looks like this thing's changing a little bit, but the first name is the winner, and then the subsequent names will be the backups. So that's the video there. Filter duplicate users. Solve this. Get the comments. Okay, 23 comments. Not too many folks watched that video. I think it was 336 views. And then just click start. Okay, Tommy Sands is the winner. And I don't know if I can pick any extras with this, so I guess that... Okay, pick another winner. So this will be in case Tommy Sands doesn't send me an email. Let's hit start again. Okay, so if I don't hear from Tommy Sands, then Stuart will get the adapter, the bracelet with the strap adapter. Then let's try this one more time. This will be in case I don't hear from the first two folks that I selected, that this computer selected. So Mahendra Sawakar will, if I don't hear from Tommy Sands, or I already forgot the second place person, but anyway, Tommy Sands, send me an email, wrongtimewatch@gmail.com. And before I end the video, this is the giveaway for 5,000 subscribers. We're getting pretty close. I think we're at 4,700 right now. So 300 more subscribers, and I'll give away this watch. Comes with the box, also comes with the leather strap. This was kindly donated by a subscriber. So, all right, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.